What's up, smart people on YouTube? Hope you guys are having a great day today. Well, it seems like you guys caught me in the middle of practicing my trades. So, this is what I do, man. I practice my trades with TD Ameritrade On Demand feature, such a great feature, and just play back the trades that I did in the past, or just play back the stocks and how they moved, how I could have traded them and stuff. So, I'm gonna go ahead and break down some chart patterns in real time so you can get the feel for them in real time. And that's the best practice, just waking up in the morning and watching these stocks move in real time, because it's just, straight, it's gonna be straight randomness to your brain, in the beginning when you're just learning out. So the more you practice, the more prepared you'll be for situations when it's going red, and if you would just held on a little bit longer, you could have made a higher percentage gain. So, this is a great way to play back the stocks and see how you can do better. So let me break down Intech real quick. September 16th, 9:30. Right there. Intech. Alright. Make sure all these drawings are gone. Alright, let's play Intech in real time. Here, got some volume for the day. The open is the most, it's the most volatile, part of the market of any stock. The first 3 minutes, it's going to be up or down, straight coin flip. Anytime the sellers can overcome the buyers and the buyers can overcome the sellers, and the stock will move in the direction of who won. Or if there's no volume to that stock, it'll just drift on sideways, maybe moving here and there a little bit, but volume is needed to determine the direction. So let's just fast forward here a little bit. One. Alright, you can see it's currently where it's at. You saw that it Alright, so you can see that it's about to currently open another candle. It's at the 57 seconds. Let's go ahead and play it. You can see that the candle was green for a minute, then went red. I like to wait for the third green candle to form. And form strong. Starts off red. And then it fools you. It goes green, and red, and green. So it's very volatile in the mornings. So you definitely want to have a close stop. Not over 3%, I would say, if you're trading these low cap stocks, and make sure that you are getting out when it's going south on you. So when these low cap stocks get volume, they will move. They will go in the direction of whoever won. Alright, so the next candle's about to form here. And so the third candle's red. Got some volume up to the upside. This candle closed at 118. It opened at 121, 2 cents rise. $90,000 shares, 100,000 shares, getting some good volume. 32,000 shares, a little bit light there. And past the 30-second. Ooh, that looks good. Go ahead, get in. Quickly set your stop loss. Go over. I probably want it go over the bottom of this candle. If it goes any lower than 118 here, or touches 118, I'm out. Then you quickly calculate whatever percentage gain you're looking for. So I'm looking for 5%. To start protecting profits. I'm not looking to get out at 5%, but to start protecting my profit when the price reaches that level. If it starts going south from there, I want to at least lock in 4.5%, 3.5%, either one. And you're just being patient. You're either waiting for it to go touch your price, or you're waiting for it to touch your price up there. You got set barriers, and you're not worrying about all this going on in between. So you don't care if it reaches down here, it still didn't touch your price. You're not scared. You might got your finger close to the sell button, but you're not looking to get out. Bam, look at that, touch the 5%. Looking for the next candle to be red here. Let's start going out, but RSI, the 7-day RSI is looking to max out. I have mine set to 75 max out. You can see here I got in at 122, right? 122. It's my 5%, 126 or 128. Mostly looking at the RSI, 7-day RSI, looking for it to start curling down out of 75. And there's the curl down. Still a green candle here. Looking for it to turn red. It's at 70. RSI is at 70. Just being a little patient here. Okay, let's continue higher. 78. Just curling though. Just be patient. Don't try to catch the top, don't try to catch the highest point the price has hit, but you want to protect that profit. Bam, sold at 128, 5%. And let's see what it does. Kind of bad that I sold there on a green candle, but I wanted to protect that 5%. You can see that it making a long wick here is a potential for a reversal. Wick, wick, reverse, wick, 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 reverse, making this nice reversal pattern here. And now if you fast forward here a little bit, you can see a chart pattern forming. Let me go ahead and zoom to that. Now, one thing you need to know is that trying to do chart patterns on a 1-minute time frame is probably the most riskiest type of trading there is. So you definitely want to be really close to your stops if you're going to be doing it, and make sure the stock has plenty of volume. So, a good amount, but chart patterns work out way better if there's plenty of volume, more volume, even than this. So let's look here. This pattern was forming here. If you grab the top of this candle here and drag it up over the tops, you got the bottoms right here where price was getting rejected to go down here. You can see it made a nice little triangle here. Nice little triangle. You're looking for a price to start out right around the triangle and then to go up. So let's play it real quick in real time. You can see that price is getting rejected right here. Alright, you can see that price got rejected right here. See if it wants to hold this price level here at 123, 122. Well, if it goes strong towards 122, it's going to break out to the downside and go strong towards 125. You can see if the pattern will bring in some buying pressure. Bam, there it goes, popping up. Looking to get in with the buying pressure, got in at 126. See here it's breaking out of this triangle. See, quickly set your stop to if it goes anywhere below 124 and quickly calculate what percentage profit you're trying to get. 132 would be a good 5% for me. 132, 133. You can see here the trend lines was needed to really identify this pattern here. I mean, that's kind of hard. You can kind of see it curling here, but it's kind of hard to identify that it was breaking out. Unless you draw your lines there. Patient, you're not worried about all this noise in between this area. Just worry about if it hits here or hits here. You can see that price is breaking there to the 5%. You want to give it some room, let it breathe, see if you can get a bigger gain out of it. And just imagine if I would have held through all of this noise, I could have easily got a 10% gain or more. It was just been a lot of holding in those good emotions and testing out, seeing if it's going to go higher. Somewhat of a coin flip. See the RSI is topping out here. There's a red candle. I'm going to go ahead and sell and lock in that 5%. And then wait and see if Intech forms another pattern, another flag here. Let's fast forward here a little bit. Now I know this is all hindsight, and this is in the past, but if you keep practicing these trades and practicing your exit strategy, practice, you'll get better and better, and you'll just instantly execute your good trades without hesitation. You can see here, I noticed that the low was getting bought up here at 130. Go ahead and complete these pattern here with the top. See if it wants to break above this price here at 132, or I could try my luck and get in at a better price at 130. Like now, 131 would be good. But I like for the pattern to break out, so I know it's going to the upside and that I am seeing correctly that this is a bullish pattern. Get in there at 134. Get in here at 134. Quickly mark out 5%. 140, 141. that. There you go. I don't like to be all zoomed up on it because it just tends to get the emotions going. You got all these colors flashing in your eyes and beaming in your face, and you're like, uh-oh, you know. It just might actually make you do something you didn't want to do. You got information overload. So be careful with that, guys. Be careful with looking at the charts all bloomed up in your face and getting scared of the big red candles. Now remember, I got in at 134. My stop is, well, anywhere below like 131 right here. If it starts tipping down and it's not doing a good pullback, because a lot of times it will pull back and then go, you know, and it'll pull back really close to your price or right under it and then start to go. So you got to be patient, have a good stop. If it touches anywhere around here, the pattern is breaking down to downside, and we'll see that here coming up. Alright, you can see Intech here is right around my 5% here, where I want to start protecting profits. Watching the RSI too, see if it wants to max out. Nice fat red candle here. I'm gonna be cautious, but not overly cautious. No, that doesn't look good. See, that doesn't look good there. Had to sell. RSI already maxed out 2 times here, and just didn't look strong. Looks like I locked in some profit, and let's check out the next pattern that Intech made. Now you can see here, Intech looking to potentially make another pattern move here. We're patient. Not looking to get inside the pattern, but looking to where the breakout is going. Intech stalling right here. Is it gonna hold at 135? Make a nice wick, or what's it gonna do? And then splatter. Look at what it does. The pattern is forming up. It's getting volume because people are recognizing pattern shortness are coming in, and bam. So just wanted to show you how you can recognize pattern. You can see what happens when chart patterns are being formed. They get a lot of volume while the patterns are being formed, and pullbacks happen and all that good stuff. So hope you guys are out there learning out there, trading safely. You guys definitely will help your learning experience. You find someone who's already trading and just learn from them. So you guys trade safe out there. Hit that like button if you like this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.